Hello viewers, iPad 10th generation and OnePlus Pad Lite are two different tablets with different price point. But if you want to buy any of these two devices, you must know about the display performance of these two devices. So in this video, I will play HDR videos. However, OnePlus Pad Lite doesn't support HDR, it plays videos in non-HDR mode. Similarly, on iPad 10th generation, you can play HDR videos in non-HDR mode. iPad 10th generation can support up to 4K 60 FPS. On the other hand, OnePlus Pad Lite can support up to 1080p 60 FPS. However, there is option of 2K playing, but if you try to play 2K, it will stutter and lag. In HDR content, the display looks gorgeous, but whenever you try to play any other video, you can feel that OnePlus Pad Lite has some grains and the videos are not so smooth, but this is not the case with iPad 10th generation. Everything looks bright and very good on the display. If you play 480p videos on OnePlus Pad Lite, you can feel some grains and the picture will be little bit contrasty, but in case of iPad 10th generation, there is no such problem. iPad 10th generation comes with dual speakers. On the other hand, OnePlus Pad Lite comes with quad speakers, so the loudness is more on OnePlus Pad Lite. So if you want to compare the speaker quality, I would say that OnePlus Pad Lite has a better and louder quad speakers, but the speakers on iPad 10th generation are also very good, but it is not as loud as OnePlus Pad Lite speakers. OnePlus Pad Lite has copied the notification panel from iPad, but you can see that in order to access the notification panel, you can swipe down once on iPad 10th generation, but you have to swipe down twice on OnePlus Pad Lite to get access. Though it is unfair to compare these two devices, but it is just for the sake of idea about the display quality and the speaker quality of these two devices. Once you start using iPad 10th generation, you will fall in love with this device and you will not like any other Android tablet in this budget. The UI and the processor is so powerful that you will just have an excellent experience. iPad 10th generation is an excellent device. On the other hand, if you have a tight budget of 13,000 rupees only, then I can recommend you this tablet. Otherwise, there are many other options. In the same price range, you will get Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus with better display. Also, you can buy Redmi Pad 2 at similar price point. Hope this video has become informative to you. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, share this video and subscribe the channel for more such interesting videos. Thank you.